Well, hello everyone. This is kind of an emergency update for the pond filter. We had some sad event happen. We found a duck with his head stuck in the drain. So we're kind of sad about that, but I just wanted to do an update so make sure people are aware of this. There's quite a bit of suction on that tube right there, and I feel bad that I didn't do something about that ahead of time or recognize that that was a potential issue. So we've had the pump off for a while. Well, we could address this. I've gotten some hardware cloth and fabricated this. I put it over a piece of PVC pipe. I think it was 1.5 or 2 inch PVC with another larger pipe, and kind of hammered it down over it to form this, and just kind of worked it with my hand. So I'm going to, hopefully this will fit. I didn't really size it up very well yet, but I'm going to go down there and see if I can get it to fit, and we'll figure out how to attach it, either with a hose clamp or silicone or something. But there's just too much suction on that small hole, so with this it'll distribute it that way. They can't get sucked into that hole and they won't be able to get out. So just wanted you guys to be aware of this, and we'll show you when I get it attached. So I'd show you what I did here to add this piece of PVC. This is looks like 2.5 inch OD pipe, and I got the hardware cloth over it, and I kind of worked it as much as I could by hand. And then I had this exhaust adapter. I put it over that with a piece of wood on it and hammered it down until I got it shaped, and I just kept working it. So that's what I did. But this hardware cloth is pretty stiff. You could probably use something a little less stiff and it'd be easier to work with. That's what I did. Alright, let me show you what I got here. I was able to trim that, stretch it out, and then wrap it around that bulkhead fitting and then that clamp. It was kind of handy. There's the two little, well, I guess thumb holes or whatever for tightening it up, stick out either side. I was able to kind of wrap that over the hardware cloth, so it held it pretty good. And then when I got the clamp on there, it feels pretty secure. I don't think it's coming off, so I have to keep an eye on it, but that'll keep any ducks from being able to get sucked into that hole. So yeah, pretty sad day when that happened, so I wanted to make sure I updated you guys with this emergency update. If you're going to do this, make sure you pay attention to the whatever your return drain is, because if you don't, it could be dangerous for your ducks. So thanks for watching. Hope any of you that are doing this are having good luck with it. It does work pretty well until we had to turn it off for a while and I had to travel, so we'll start it fresh again and see how it goes now that we've got that screen in place and we don't have to worry about the ducks getting injured. Thank you.